This is not the gaming setup, it's not the latest, and definitely not the most powerful. But this 80K setup still runs the entire workflow in 2026, from editing to rendering and to actually building content. Before that, I was using this computer, an Intel i3 system that had no GPU, barely usable. Editing was slow, video playback was painful, and honestly, creating video felt like a task, but not anymore. Speaking about the setup, the monitor being used here is the Zebronics S27A 2K fast IPS monitor. About the audio, I use Spinbot BattleBuds C30 gaming earphones and Zebronics Wonderbud 20, Meano microphone, HP K100 keyboard, nothing fancy, it just works, and EvoFox Phantom Air gaming mouse which is lightweight and responsive. One more thing to be said, the reviews of the monitor, earphones and the speaker are uploaded in the channel, so make sure to check it out, and the links are in the description too. The motherboard being used up here is the MSI B450 Tomahawk Max 2. At the core of the setup is the AMD Ryzen 5 3600, a 6-core processor clocked up to 4.2 GHz. It's not new, but for editing, it still holds up surprisingly well. Paired with ballistic 16GB RAM at 3200 MHz, which is the minimum you need if you're serious about software such as DaVinci or Premiere Pro. Now coming to the storage is handled by the Samsung 980 1TB SSD, smooth for timelines and quick project loading. And the most important part, the NVIDIA RTX 2060. Not for gaming, but for acceleration. I am running NVIDIA Studio drivers that makes a huge difference in editing stability and performance. And sometimes that's better than chasing specs you don't actually need. This setup is built for one thing, and that is content creation. I use this for editing in DaVinci Resolve, handling timelines, color grading and exporting videos consistently. It's not perfect, but it gets the job done without breaking. That's the main point. Now let's have a small test. I'll just play a clip here. And now I'll move the playhead back and forth. Now this is what expected from this setup. That is good. Now moving on, let's see how fast does this export. It successfully got rendered, and the video is about 4 minutes 40 seconds long, and it got rendered in 2 minutes and 48 seconds. This setup is not for high-end gamers, but if you're someone who wants to start editing videos, creating a YouTube channel without spending more than 1 lakh, then this is a solid starting point. This setup helped me start, and it's still doing the job, but this is not the final version. A sub to the channel will keep you notified about the upcoming upgrades. This is Zero Chill, and I'll see you in the next one.